Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn about Kafka message serializer. Kafka only accepts byte as an input from producer and sends byte as an output to consumer. Kafka is a technology which only accepts a series or streams of bytes as an input from producer and sends byte as an output to consumer. Message serialization means transforming objects into bytes. When we construct message, they are not bytes. So we are going to perform message serialization. During serialization, we are going to transform data or object into bytes. They are used on the value and the key. These serializer are going to be used on the key and on the value only. Some common serializers are string serializer, int serializer, and avro and protobuf. In the below block diagram, we can see we have key and value object. Key object contains 1 to 3, which is integer. So here we are used integer serializer for converting this key into bytes. And for value object, it contains string value. So here we are using string serializer to convert this object into bytes. Now these two key binary and value binary are eligible to send to Kafka topic. Thank you for watching this lecture.